Welcome to our daily quiz session designed to help you prepare for the AFO exam. If you have missed our day 7 target topics, check out my previous short video for more information. Without any delay, let's start our quiz. First question, CIRG is located in dash. Leave your answers in comment section. Second question, total fertilizer consumption is maximum in dash. Third question, downward movement of water through saturated or nearly saturated soil in response to the gravity is called dash. Fourth question, indicated plan for permanent wilting point is dash. Fifth question, concept of potential evapotranspiration was given by dash. Sixth question, bud necrosis in groundnut is transmitted by dash. Seventh question, which is best suitable species for bee culture? Eighth question, downy mildew of bajra is caused by dash. Ninth question, agar-agar is commercially obtained by dash. The last and final question, one of factors causing malformation of mango is dash. Leave your answers in comment section. That's all for today's quiz. Review your answer and get back tomorrow for more challenging questions to enhance your preparation for the AFO exam. Good luck! Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to leave your queries in the comments below. Let's crack this exam together.